Every time we put a roller ramp on somebody's home, it improves their quality of life. Every time we provide safe access to somebody's home, it's improving the quality of their life.
Hello, I'm Matt Magnus, the president of Roller Ramp. We are a family-owned mobility solutions manufacturer located in West Fargo, North Dakota, and do business all over the globe. Roller Ramp has been a preferred supplier of ramp solutions to Centers for Independent Living, or CILs, just like yours, for years. Our ramps have several unique features that set them apart from other ramp solutions. The first being that they roll up, as the name suggests, for seamless transportation and storage. A roller ramp's length can be changed at any time via our Quick Connect pins and either removing or adding ramp link sections. Roller ramps have a 1,000 pound weight capacity and a 1,500 pound weight capacity for our heavy duty models. Additionally, every roller ramp product comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Roller Ramp is truly the flexible and durable choice in access ramps. We invite you to consider how Roller Ramp can serve the mobility needs of your clients and your community.
My name is Rob Weigel. I am the Community Access Manager at SEMCIL, which is the Southeastern Minnesota Center for Independent Living in Rochester, Minnesota. SEMCIL's mission is to elevate the voices and champion the aspirations of people with disabilities by partnering with individuals to meet goals, educate our communities, and influence impactful change. And we're also proud to have open up a brand new facility called Boundless, which is an indoor accessible play space.
My name is Howard Roston. I work for SMILE Center for Independent Living. We're located in Mankato, Minnesota. I'm the ramp program manager here. Our mission is to help people with disabilities to be more independent, or as independent as possible, in whatever way, shape, or form that needs to be, whether that's helping them with independent living skills, access in the home, assistive technology. Roller Ramp has been very instrumental in helping our consumers to be independent as possible, helping them to stay in home as long as they can, as much as they can. We provided ramps for seniors who want to stay in their home, for families with a family member in hospice, for people recovering from surgery. Really, you're only limited by your imagination how you want to apply that.
Roller Ramp is very versatile. There's not many ramps out there that you can break down into 6-inch sections, whether you need to add more to it or take some from it and use on multiple different properties. It makes it really easy to set up, take down, take to another property, set back up, add a little bit more, take a little bit away. It's really, really versatile for what we use it for. We don't have to worry about multiple length platforms and storing them in places. The roller ramp, it rolls up, we can pile them up. They're really, really easy to store, so we really like that about them too.
We use Roller Ramp because it provides a lot of options in how we can set a ramp up. Every home we go to has a different layout, every house is unique. It comes down to how can we best lay out a ramp for them to meet that person's needs, be it whether they're working in a wheelchair, using a walker, cane, whatever their mobility restrictions are. I found that if we get out to a job site and we suddenly discover, I wish I could shorten this ramp up by 1 foot or 2 foot, we have the possibility of doing that. We can also add an extra foot or two if we get out there and suddenly discover we need that extra length.
We've had a lot of positive feedback with Roller Ramp over the Minnesota winters. Roller Ramp has a nice open web design that allows snow melt to drain through, and it also has a nice textured surface that allows traction when going up or down the ramp in the wintertime. The Roller Ramp product is completely aluminum, so it does not rust. and there is no maintenance needed.
I like roller ramp because of the speed of how fast I can set it up. Typical ramp for Smile is this one that's probably 24, 26 foot long. When we go out to visit a home, in most cases we've already seen pictures of the home and determined what we need for a layout. So once we have that determined, it's just a matter of loading our trailer up, taking out the appropriate equipment, in the right number of ramp sections we need, a platform, one or more if we need it. We get the platform set up and then we just start laying the ramp sections out. In most cases we can do it within 2 hours.
When we set up ramps, we do a lot of pre-assembly before we take a ramp to somebody's home, which saves on some time being on site. It could be raining out. We can do pre-assembly of a lot of the ramp and railing sections in our shop. That way it's ready to go when we take it on site and we can set it up pretty quickly. Anybody in the community benefits from using our roller ramps. Right now, we have over 300 feet of ramp out that's being used by individuals. Every time we set up a ramp on somebody's home, it's improving the quality of their life, giving them safer access, and it's in and out of their homes.
I think the biggest benefit our community's received has been allowing family members to stay in their home during recovery, during disability, during illness, during hospice. You know, people don't want to stay in a nursing home. They don't want to be in a care facility. They want to be in their own home. And having ramp access is important for them. Any center for independent living looking to expand their services in home access, grab bars, home modifications, a ramp program I think would be very important. We started off very small. We stay busy with it. There's a need for it. The biggest challenge is getting the word out. Our challenge right now is we get more demand than we have supply it or have time to do. So I think it's something that would be very important. It's just a matter of getting the word out to the people. I have nothing but good things to say about Roller Ramp.
Roller Ramp is a small family-owned company that provides a product that increases people's independence and provides safe access into their homes. Any SIL starting or having an access program who wanted to start a ramp program would benefit from Roller Ramp. Every time we put a roller ramp on somebody's home, it improves their quality of life. Every time we provide safe access to somebody's home, it's improving the quality of their life.
Roller Ramp is the portable, flexible, and durable ramp solution for your CIL client needs. And now we would like to present testimonies from clients that use Roller Ramp to achieve independence in their daily lives.
My mom is still in her home. She was using a cane, and she out of the blue had a heart attack. She got to go back home again, and stairs were going to be more difficult. And we said, let's not go with a huge construction project. We wanted to move through with something that was not as expensive and not as invasive. They came and installed it in one day. We have had great success with it. It was sturdy, it's held up through the winters, it has worked out really well for her. I think that this product is what we will have to help keep her in her home. I am very pleased with it. I would recommend people use it.
It would have been impossible to get in and out of the house without this ramp. It rolled out so easy, and it seemed very simple for them to put it together. It's very sturdy, very good quality, and very well made. I can't imagine what people do without this.
When recommending your product to customers, I can truly tell them that you are an awesome company to work with when needing product. That isn't common in today's marketplace.
I have a problem with my right leg, and it's gotten worse over the last year. So walking upstairs is very, very painful and hard for me to do. Having my roller ramp has just been really great. I use a rollator every day for everything, and I could just go right up to my back door without having the fear of falling backwards. I just think it's really such a useful tool that gives you safe support for going outside and not doing your steps, and being able to get down to your curb level. It is very nice to have the handrails for extra support while getting my rollator up and down the walkway. It has been such a blessing.
Thank you for watching this presentation. We would love to have you join the CIL community that utilizes Roller Ramp with their clients. If you'd like to contact us, send us an email at sales@rollerramp.com or give us a call at 866-883-4722. We'd love to hear from you.